Look closely. This tall bird runs super fast across the deserts of Africa. Your 5 seconds start now. Answer: ostrich, the largest bird in the world. Question 2. This pink beauty loves to stand on one leg. Can you guess its name? Answer: flamingo, graceful and elegant. Question 3. This bird travels the longest distance during migration, from the Arctic to Antarctica. Answer: Arctic tern. Question 4. A bird that cannot fly but swims like a pro. Answer: penguin, cool and cute.